Binance US making a big statement in regards to Jasmy coin. What is going on? Why have Binance delisted this token? Is there any hope still left for Jasmy? Well, current trading price is holding up strong. We're going to break it down all in this video, as well as what Jasmy has to offer. And if you are holding Jasmy coin, well, you're definitely going to want to see what I'm about to tell you in this video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, do all that good stuff. Let's get into exactly what is going on. Like we said, Jasmy coin currently trading 5366. Now, what you've got to context, we've seen a massive run in the market. We saw Bitcoin break 26K. We haven't seen Jasmy going the same way, down actually 5.9%. on the back of this Binance US listing. Now, we do have to be very, very deliberate here that we have Binance and the Binance US. Binance US under much more strict regulations, under much more scrutiny right now from the US. As we know, Gary Gensler, we know the CFTC really cracking down on cryptocurrency. And we'll get into exactly why I think Binance have delisted Jasmy coin. But currently holding up 5367. Now, remember when this launched, $3 a coin. So there's lots of room to still grow with Jasmy. A lot of people believe this is in the same category as things like the Casper network, these layer twos that could absolutely send it in the bull market. So let's, without get into it. It says Binance US will delist Helium. For those of you that watch my live streams will know that that's fantastic news, because I have a Helium miner, which was pretty much the worst decision I'd made. It really doesn't do anything given the price. And Jasmy coin on March 21st. You've got about 6-7 days in order to pull your Jasmy off there. It says Binance US will periodically review each digital asset we list to ensure that it continues to meet the standard of excellence we expect. We operate in a rapidly evolving industry, and our digital assets monitoring process is designed to be responsive to market and regulatory developments. That's the key term for me, regulatory developments. When a digital asset is no longer meets our high standards or industry circumstances change, we conduct a more in-depth review on the affected asset, whether further action is necessary, i.e. delisting. Now, when we talk a little bit more specifically, it says, note, HNT and Jasmy deposits on Binance US will be closed on March 20th at 7 p.m. PDT, 10 p.m. EDT. Buy and sell, convert, and OTC functionality will be removed for HNT and Jasmy 1 hour after deposits close. Deposits for HNT and Jasmy after this time will not be credited to your account. However, withdrawals will remain open. So be very, very mindful. If you're holding Jasmy, you need to deliver on these times. Otherwise, you are going to lose your coins. Now, what are the reasons that basically Binance US take in order to delist something? Well, changes in digital assets token risk profile, and they have risk profiles. Every business in the world has a risk profile that is either then used as leverage to borrow or is used as determining whether it's a relatively safe or not investment. And ultimately, when it's coming down to things like Jasmy, as well as HNT, they are viewing now either they are not viable or they no longer require, or they no longer are, they're higher risk. Regulatory standing, commitment to the team, to project level and quality of the development activity, trading volume and liquidity, stability and safer than the network from attacks, the network and the smart contract, the levels of community engagement, evidence of unethical or fraudulent conduct or negligence, and the contribution to a healthy and sustainable crypto ecosystem. Now, it does say we want to thank your support as we continue to build the crypto ecosystem in a way that promotes security, transparency, and long-term sustainable growth. So we don't actually get anything specific around why Binance US would be delisting Jasmy. The only assumption is either A, the trading volume isn't what they would hope, or B, their development of Jasmy just isn't delivering on what Binance US are saying. Now, Binance, US has their own desire, their own ambition, and ultimately it's their decision to make it. But I do think when we take a look at the volume out there for Jasmy, I do think the volume will move somewhere else. You can see here, look, on Binance, 14.4 million. If we take Coinbase as an example, 5.5 million, Get.io, 3 million. We've also got Qcoin there at 1.6. We could just see the volume move into other parameters. We also know it's on MEXC as well as a number of other exchanges out there. So this could be a good thing for Jasmy. I think what we have to do is see bounce back from the community as well as the development team. Now, they have a lot on the roadmap for this year. I'm not going to go through all of it. I'll leave a link to the video I did when I covered all of this. But they are absolutely building out more on their network. They are making sure they have things like AI engines, fan tokens, the Carbon Credit Consortium, number of developments and build outs. I guess Maybe Binance want to see it quicker. Maybe Binance want to see a bit more engagement. Ultimately, what do Binance want, in my view? Volume and trading. And I think a lot of people currently hold Jasmy because they believe in the long-term viability of this token. But Binance US delisting, remember those dates, March the 20th, you need to be off, as well as March 21st, it ceases to trade. Dead important if you are holding Jasmy. Again, we'll keep you up to date with everything going on with these stories as they develop. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you know exactly what's going on. Turn the notification bell on. You'll know when we upload our latest content or go live on our live streams. And as ever, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye-bye.